National Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, or World Drug Day, the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime released its annual World Drug Report, warning that the number of users of drugs are increasing along with rise in trafficking. Here are some of the key findings of this report. The emergence of new synthetic opioids synthetic opioids and a record supply and demand of other drugs has compounded the impacts of the world drug problem, leading to a rise in drug use disorders and environmental harms. The number of people who use drugs has risen to 292 million in 2022, a 20% increase over 10 years. Cannabis remains the most widely used drug worldwide, followed by opioids, amphetamines, cocaine and ecstasy. Though an estimated 64 million people worldwide suffer from drug use disorders, only 1 in 11 is taking treatment. Women receive less access to treatment than men, with only 1 in 18 women with drug use disorders in treatment versus 1 in 7 men. 2.7 million people were prosecuted for drug offences and over 1.6 million were convicted globally in 2022, though there are significant differences across regions regarding the criminal justice response to drug offences.
We have seen drug abuse-related aspects and illicit trafficking in the very forefront of policy priorities in India, both from the perspective of trying the law enforcement personnel to disrupt criminal networks that operate on cross-border dimensions, including for heroin trafficking, methamphetamine trafficking, and other forms of opioids, because they are the two substances that we see more prevalence use in India. And I think the numbers on treatment of persons in treatment links us with those two main substances being substance of abuse.
And finally, we take you to the Dubai